Hey Patrick, this is Brandon sending over that free video with some tips and tricks on how you can better position yourself online and in Google. Better rankings so you can get some more business headed your way. Probably asking yourself, why the heck does this guy send out free videos and information? What's in it for him? But Patrick, I understand that a lot of business owners are involved in their business, sometimes a lot of hands-on stuff like that, and you just don't have the time to deal with this kind of stuff. Sometimes even the knowledge, the know-how, or even the want to. So I reach out with a couple of things that business owners can do to make an immediate impact, and then obviously there's more in-depth stuff that goes into this. And if you want to take it to that level, hopefully by the end of this, you can see that this Brandon guy kind of knows what he's talking about, and maybe we'll use him as a resource. So that's why I do what I do. So getting right into it, the three things I'm going to go over are web content and keywords. Second thing being citations, and then lastly, referring domains and backlinks. I go over this stuff because that's the same thing Google looks for in their algorithms as far as how they, rank people on the web. So, real quick, the first thing I want to go over is your home page. Um, they look for at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. So, you got a lot of nice pictures and stuff on here, but let's get some more content on there. Like I said, 1,500 at a minimum. And then, if you look at this, you'll see that your picture, at least somebody's doing that for you. A little bit of SEO going on there. Um, so a little more content, and then in the keywords, in that 1,500 words, you're going to want to make sure that you got cleaning and restoration, Green Bay, uh, cleaning and restoration Appleton, mold remediation, whatever niche you have. Make sure those keywords are stacked in that content. So when people are searching for things, Google can take their search words and match them with your website and know where they're going to send them. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Second thing we talk about is citations. So if I type in mold removal of Green Bay, um, you'll see these top three businesses show up here in the map pack, we call it. And they're there because they got a lot of citations, and all a citation is your business name, email, address, phone number, and numerous locations on the web, whether it be Angie's List, Thumbtack, Yellow Pages, a bunch of posts, social media, things like that. So shout from the rooftops, get your business out there, let it be known, and the more places you can do that, the more citations you'll get, and the faster you're going to find yourself up in this map pack. Obviously, all these things go together to truly get you there, but citations is the driving force for this map back here. So hopefully that makes sense. And then the last thing we go over is backlinks and referring domains. So what's a backlink? A backlink is any place out on the web that has a link attached to it that if somebody clicks on it, it goes back to your website. I use a tool here called Ahrefs to get this information. You can get it as well. It's about 500 bucks a month to use the tool, but shows this information in here. So you want to make sure that the backlinks you're putting out there are not spammy. What I mean by that is don't put backlinks on things that are not relevant to your industry or what you're trying to accomplish. Put good, strong backlinks out there for your customers and related to your business. You're going to get a better score and a better ranking from Google out of that. Once again, get some keywords, a little more keywords up there, and then ultimately you're only bringing 4 people in a month from your website. So it's a good tool to have, a website. We just want to see it doing a little bit better for you. So what I did was I went and I looked at the top guy here in #1 position, pulled his website up into Ahrefs, and you can see that he's got quite a bit more backlinks, referring domains. He could probably use some work on his keywords, but ultimately he's bringing in a little over 60 more people a month visiting his website. So that's 60 more people that are looking at his website and potentially turning into customers that you're not getting. So at the end of the day, more customers equals more business equals more money. Um, and obviously that's the ultimate goal, happy customers with money. So hopefully you found these tips to be helpful. And when you open in the email and watch this video, you can reach back out if you have any questions. But I would ask you just reach back out and let me know if this was informational or if this was a big waste of your time. Either way, you're not going to hurt my feelings. I just appreciate some feedback. And hopefully you got some questions, and look forward to making some changes and improvements and ultimately helping your business, because that's what I'm here for. Look forward to talking with you. Take care.